Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a narrow niche that has buyers and measurable intent. This reduces wasted effort. Once chosen, create the essential assets: one simple landing page, a dedicated email, and social profiles. Next, select a network or merchant that fits your country and desired payout method. You'll need a valid ID and tax form like Form 1099 if in the US. Start the sign-up now, complete KYC, and submit your initial site or channel URL so the account review can begin. Once approved, focus on reliable tracking so you know what converts. Install the affiliate pixel and append UTM parameters to all links. Consider server-side tracking if you expect ad blockers. Create 1 to 3 core offers and generate distinct tracking links for each campaign so attribution stays clean. Then implement those links in a focused content piece or paid ad, and make sure to follow the merchant's creative rules and disclosure requirements. Monitor initial clicks and conversion events to verify end-to-end tracking. To complete the setup, iterate quickly. Run a /B tests on headlines, CTA copy and page layout, and track conversion rate and EPC. Once a variant performs, scale budget and broaden targeting to similar audiences or channels. Make sure payments are set up correctly and you meet the network's payout threshold. If conversions vanish, first verify the full tracking chain, pixel fires, UTM intact, affiliate link not stripped, and review the network dashboard for disapprovals. Fix compliance issues to restore payouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.